Hey guys, it's the Black Hiking Queen here, and today I am hiking at one of my favorite places, which is Tyler State Park here in Texas. It's actually been a while since I've hiked in Texas, mainly because it's just been really hot. Like, summers in Texas are really brutal, and honestly, I just don't like hiking in the heat. It's pretty hot today, but it is a little bit cooler because it's fall, not summer. But I am gonna take you out along this hike. This is the Lakeshore Trail, so let's get into it. This is one of my favorite state parks just because it has really beautiful trees, and I love walking along the lake. And you can actually swim in the lake, you can paddleboard, you can go fishing. So there's plenty of things that you can do here at this park. But I really love the trees, they're just so pretty.